What is 60% of 85? Good. The answer is 51. Do you know how? A percent is 1 part out of 100. That is 1% is equal to 1 out of 100, or 0.01 or 0.01, that is equal to 100. Proportions can be used to solve percent problems. Part by whole equal to percent by 100. That is, the whole is 85. In this sum, 60% of 85. What is the proportion we are finding, right? The whole is 85. The percent is 60%. Part by whole equal to percent by 100. Let n represent the part. Write a proportion and cross multiply to solve for n. So part is n by whole is 85. Okay, it is equal to 60 by 100. Okay, part by whole equal to percent by 100. N by 85 equal to 60 by 100. 100 n equals, how do you do? This 100 goes here, 85 goes there. This is called cross multiplication. 100 n equal to 60 into 85. 100 n equal to 60 into 85. How much it is? Do the multiplication, you would find 5100. So 100 n divided by 100. Let's divide by 100 on both sides. 100 n equal to 5100. When you divide by 100 on both sides, these two zeros will go away and these two zeros will go away. N equal to 51. So 60% of 85 is 51. You could also find the answer by writing and solving an equation. This is another method. Part equal to percentage of whole. This is another method. So what is the part they want to know? N. N equals to, what is the percentage? 60 percentage multiplied by whole is 85. What is 60 percentage? 60 by 100. That is, move the two digits, it is 0.6. 60 percentage is 60 by 100. Move two digits, it becomes 0.6 multiplied by 85. So part equal to 0.6 multiplied by 85. Go and multiply and see, you will get 51. So 60 percentage of 85 is what? Good. It's going to be 51. This is how you finish it. Okay. Slowly go through the video and do it again. Once again, 60% of 85 is 51. Okay. What is 25% of 68? Remember the previous way and pause the video and do the sum. The answer is 17. Let's see how we got it. Read this aloud. Okay, then proportions can be used to solve percent problems. How? Part by whole equal to percent by 100. The whole is 68. The whole is 68. The percent is 25, right? That is the question. Question is 25% of 68. Okay. Let n represent the part. Write a proportion. How do you write a proportion? And then cross multiply. Whole. This is the part by whole. N by 68 equals 25 by 100. What is the percentage? 25 and divided by 100. So 100 into n, 100 n equals to 25 into 68. So 25 into 68 is 1700. So 100 n equal to 1700. 100 n divided by 100, you dividing 100 on both sides eliminates. the zeros. That leaves us with n equal to 17. So 25% of 68 is 17. Second method, you could also find the answer by writing and solving an equation. Part equal to percentage of whole. This is another method. What is the part we are looking for? N. Let's keep it as n variable. That equal to 25%, right? Multiplied by 68. Whole is 68. N equal to 25 by 100. 25% means 25 by 100. Move 2 decimal points, you get 0.25. Multiplied by 68. When you multiply these two, you get 17. 25% of 68 is 17. What is 50% of 34? Pause the video and do the problem. Good. The answer is 17. Let's see how we got it. Read this loud. This is the rule. One way. The whole is, what is the whole? 34. Here is 34. What is the percentage? 50. The rule is, remember the rule. Percentage 50. Whole is 34. Part is, we don't know. Part is n. That's what we find out. Okay, n percentage. Let n percent represent the part. Write a proportion and cross multiply. N by 34 equals 50 by 100. 100 into n, 34 into 50. 100n equal to 1700. Divide by 100 on both sides. So n equal to 17. 50% of 34 is 17. Other method, part equal to percentage of the whole. So part, what is the part we want to find? N. Percentage is 50% of the whole is 34. So n equal to 50% is what? 50 divided by 100. Move 2 decimal places, 0.5. Multiplied by 34. So 0.5 multiplied by 34 is 17. This is the part. So 50% of 34 is 17. What is 10% of 30? Pause the video and do the job. 10% of 30 is 3. Good job. How we got that? Read the rule. Step 1, whole is 30. The percent is 10%. Read this loud. So n by 30 equal to 10 by 100. 100n equal to 10 into 30. Good job. The second method, 10% of 30 is 3. What is the second method? Part equal to percentage of whole. N equal to 10% multiplied by 30. 10% is 0.1. So n equal to 3. 10% of 30 is 3. What is 90% of 100? Pause the video and do the job. The correct answer is 90. Let's see how. Remember the rule. Whole is 100, then percent is 90%. Cross multiply. Substitute and cross multiply. Okay. 90% of 100 is 90. The other method, part equal to percentage of whole. 90% of whole is 100. 90% is 90 by 100. That is, move 2 digits, 0.9. 0.9 into 100. That equal to 90. 90% of 100 is 90. What is 30% of 50? Pause the video and do the job. Correct answer is 15. See how we got it? The rule. Read the rule aloud. Substitute. Percent is 30. Right. Substitute in the formula. Cross multiply. Then simplify by divide by 100. Then you find the value for n. 30% of 50 is 15. The other method, part equal to percentage of whole, percentage 30 percentage, whole is 50. 0.3 multiplied by 50, 30 divided by 100 is 0.3 and equal to 50. 30 percentage of 50 is 15.